The digital landscape for health today is basically a neon lit minefield. You see the ads, you see the promises of incredibly cheap prescriptions. Your first instinct is to assume it is all a giant fake designed to steal your data. That is a smart way to think in this day and age. But when we look at the reality of Gimme Care, the story is actually much more nuanced than a simple yes or no. This is a real operating business with verified customers and active medical professionals working behind the scenes. It is not some empty shell website that vanishes into thin air once you hit the buy button. The company is a legitimate telehealth platform. They connect users with licensed providers who can prescribe specialized medications for medical weight loss. The process is very modern and follows a specific path. You start by filling out a medical questionnaire from the comfort of your own couch. A licensed provider looks at your data and your health history. They decide if you're a good candidate for these treatments. If you get the green light, they send that order to a compounding pharmacy. These are the specialized facilities that actually prepare the medication. Then the package arrives directly at your house. This is a massive shift from how we used to handle healthcare. It is convenient and it is fast. But this is also exactly where the friction starts to happen for a lot of people. When you dive into the actual user feedback, you see a sharp divide. There is a large group of people who are having a great experience. They report that the ordering process is simple and easy to navigate. Their medication arrives on time. They see real results on the scale. For them, it is a total win. But then you look at the other side of the fence. You see the negative reviews that talk about a very different reality. We are talking about shipping delays that stretch on for weeks. We are talking about customer support teams that seem to go silent just when you have an urgent question about your order. In our modern culture, we often label any bad experience as a scam. But that is not quite accurate here. A scam takes your money and gives you absolutely nothing in return. This company is delivering the product, but they are clearly struggling to keep up with the sheer volume of people signing up. The weight loss industry is exploding right now. Every telehealth company is fighting for a piece of the pie. Even the most legitimate businesses are tripping over their own feet because they cannot scale fast enough. So the final verdict is that this is a real provider. It is a legitimate way to get access to these tools without spending a fortune at a traditional pharmacy. However, you have to go in with your eyes wide open. You're essentially signing up for a high volume and low cost model of care. It sits in that gray area of reputation. It works brilliantly for many, but it fails to be consistent for every single customer. It is an imperfect system. If you decide to go this route, you are choosing affordability over a premium experience. You are getting real medical services and real patient results. Just be prepared for the possibility of a shipping hiccup or a slow reply to your emails. It is the trade-off for getting these powerful medications at a much lower price point. It is a real business, but it is one that is clearly still figuring out how to handle the massive demand. You have to decide if that trade-off is worth the potential frustration.